Hi, my name is Azhar Eskullah. Here on this video, I want to share to you how to recover your data. In this video, in this case, I use a flash drive or flash disk with Toshiba brand, 8 GB, white color on it with no cup on it as an evidence. This is the flash drive that I use in this video to be experiment how to recover the data deleted from this flash drive. Okay, let's check it out. Now, let's connect my USB drive. Okay, my USB drive already detected in my desktop. As you can see here, there is several data. Let we just format it. Okay, format done. Okay, now it's clear here. No data left. Now the idea how to recover my data. I already prepared some files to be deleted. Let's open it. Cybersecurity final project. This is the original data that I want to recover later in this video. First of all, let's put all these three data in my flash drive. Assume that this is the original evidence of my Toshiba flash drive. Still copying. So the idea, when you found a flash drive that you don't know what it's the data inside of it, the data is clear, and you want to check whether the data contains some important data to you. Here, like in here, I give you an example. This is my flash drive already containing data. See, 7.09 gigabyte free disk space from 7.2 gigabyte. Okay, assume that this is the original data, and somehow you forget or you already cut the data and move to another desktop, another device, or you just incidentally delete the data. See, the data is gone. You forget, right? Assume that you forget or you're missing the data. As you can see here, the size of my flash drive back to 0.2 from 0.2 means that nothing remains in my flash drive. Now, in here, I want to recover my data using FTK Imager. Okay, first of all, I want to create an image to clone my flash drive to a folder. So you can click File, then create a disk image here. Just click on it, choose physical drive because in this case I use a flash drive, which is a physical drive. Click next, then choose the what kind of drive that you use. Here I use Toshiba. It's a USB drive, flash drive, which has total 7.2 gigabyte, which is this is the closest one. This another one is my hard drive on my laptop. So I choose this Toshiba 7 gigabyte. Click finish. Okay, now add the information. This case number, just this is the information that you want, just like labeling your evidence. Okay, just fill it up whatever you want. This case, assume the case number is case number 1 is my first time, evidence number 1, unique description, testing recovery data, seminar Azhar, node is me, Azhar is my name, nodes just project. You don't have to fill up like this, it's just your own information, put your evidence. When you finish up filling in this form, just click next. This is to where you want to clone your file. This is the destination folder. Just put it up everyone you like. I'm just put it on my D drive, on my cybersecurity, and on final project. Clone. When you're done choosing the cloning destination, just put the name on it. Here I give an example, clone test. Just click finish and then start. Now the FTK Imager will create the image of the flash drive that you already choose. In your case, I use my Toshiba flash drive named Azhar on the G directory. Okay, we just have to wait. Okay, now the FTK Imager still validating our clone data from our drive. Just wait. This is the result after we cloning our flash drive. It is showing that our clone and our original flash drive is matched. Verify result match, verify result match, no bad box found in image. This is the result that we've done the clone, the creating image of our drive successfully done with no mistake or no bad values. Okay, just close it. Just close it. Now, the next turn to do is I want to see if we can recover our data here that already deleted before. Okay, now just click here, add evidence item, choose physical drive, and then click next. Why we just should choose physical drive? Because in this video, in this case, I use flash drive. Flash drive is a physical drive, right? So we just choose this, click next, and then just we done before, choose your storage, choose your drive. In here I use Toshiba drive, just click on it, finish, and then on the top left you can see the information of your drive that you already choose before. Here I made no partition in my flash drive. It's totally full the information of 7.3 gigabyte. Okay, name is Ezar. Okay, same, right? Here properties, you can see the type is FAT32, FAT32. Just click on it and choose root folder. Why we should choose root folder? Root folder containing all information in your drive. In this case is my flash drive. See, you can see the files that we already deleted before. I delete these 3 files from my flash drive here. As you can see here, as we see the before I delete the files from my flash drive, it should be 7.09 gigabyte space free from 7.2, but now it remains nothing, right? The free space and the available space is same. See, no, nothing. But FTK Imagr detect that there is some files in it. This is our deleted file before. Now what I want to do is to compare whether our original files and our recovery file from using FTK Imagr is remain the same or not. Okay, just choose these 3, which is our original files from my flash drive. Just export it. I just put it on my D drive next to my original flash drive data. I name it recovered FD. The name is up to you. Just name it to make me easier to find it. Just click OK. Now I'm recovering my data. Okay, export success. Now let's see if there's any difference between the recovery one and the original one. This recovered one, just move it here. Let's open it in a new window. Just okay. As you can see, we have 2 folders. On the left is the original one, and on the right is the recovered one that we already recovered from using FTK Imagr before. Now I want to see the image, the PNG format. Let's see if there's any difference from these 2. Compare side by side. See, there is no difference, no missing pixel or bad picture, all the same. The size is 2698 to 698, same. It's all the same, perfectly cover, and the CV is same size too. The video is on the same size too. There should be no different, right? Okay, this is the recovered one, and let's open the original one. This is the original one on the left. See, no different at all. It's same, no missing word, no missing letter. The picture is same, it's same for the video. Let's check the original one. It's 1 minute and 38 seconds for total duration. The sound is clear. Let's just jump, skip the step. The image is clear. Sounds good. No problem. Okay, let's now open from the recovered one. The duration remains same, 138 seconds. The intro sounds good. Clear image. Move to the middle, skip it. The image is good. Sound still good. Then jump to the end. See, no different. Okay. After we recovered it, it still has no different. Okay. Now, at the end, I want to do a little experiment. How if I change my flash drive into a smaller size? I mean reducing the size. See here, my flash drive detected 7.2 and it's still containing our deleted files. That not showing here, right? Not showing here. It just can be shown on FTK Imager. FTK Imager can show your deleted files as long as your deleted files, your flash drive is not modified, is not formatted, or not replaced by any data. The idea why your data is deleted but you can still recover perfectly is because when you delete your data from your drive, from your disk, the data is not actually removed. The system, your desktop, only removing the address, the allocating address from your files, but your files is still remain there. In here, as you can see, there is an extension .fileselect. It's the .fileselect containing the allocating address of your files. In here, the cv.pdf .fileselect is containing the address, the allocating address of cv.pdf. So when you deleted your files in your desktop, in your laptop, the system just removing the allocating address. Okay, now I want to try to reduce the size of my flash drive. It is say 7.2 and our data. Okay, I want to reduce it using Aume Partition Assistant. The software helps you to reduce the size of your drives. Okay, so let me choose this. I want to resize. I want to resize my Ether drive, flash drive. Resize. I want to make it just like 7.2, so my data just around. Okay, just make it 2.03 maybe. Okay, just click it, then apply, proceed. Okay, I just reduce my size from the current is 7.22 gigabyte to 2.03 gigabyte. Up to power charge. Okay, proceed. Are you sure? Yes. Still processing. Operation complete. Okay, just close this. Now my flash drive is on 2 gigabyte, free from 2 gigabyte, but in total it has 7.2 gigabyte. I just want to eject it and connect it again. Okay, let's see if there any change. Okay, still there, right? Now I want to open it. Still no files in it. Okay, but I'm not formatted it, so I want to check if this current deleted data is still here or not. Okay, let's do the same step but without cloning. It is just a little experiment. Add an evidence, physical drive, same step as before. It's detected as 7 GB flash drive. Finish. Okay, let's open the partition. The partition size is now reduced from 7 GB into just 2 GB. Same FAT32, right? With the same name as our. Now I want to check the root folder. Okay, it's still the same. We still have it, right? Now I want to recover this. Is it still the same? After I redo some configuration, just reduce it. Just reduce the size. Okay, here we have recovered us to recover experiment. Let's see if we still can access our files there. Okay, so security, experiment is here. Recover experiment. Before we can know that our recovered flash disk is the same as the original, right? There's no different. And now, after I do a little bit experiment, the video size has been reduced from 112 megabyte into just 7 megabyte, and the rest is still the same. Let's see here, the PNG. Oh, the PNG is now corrupt. I can open the PNG files, but in the recovered one from the original, from the 7 GB, I still can open. Let's open the PDF. Okay, this from the recovered one, and this one is from the experiment recovered. I can open it. It says something went wrong. Okay, and the video, this is the original video from the recovered one. You still can open it, right? And now from the experiment one, it can render, it can be played. All of them can be played. Let's go back to the FTK imager. We're missing the information, right? We have no select extension here, not just like we do before. We have no dot select extension, so we're missing the address, we're missing the allocating address of our files, even though the Valorant and the CV PDF files is still the same in size, but we're missing the information of it. So the system can't open it. This analysis just from what I think, in my opinion. So in this experiment, you just can only recover your data as long as your drive doesn't modify yet. Okay, just in case that you just accidentally delete your files, or you just accidentally cut, not copying your files to another device, so the data in your flash drive just gone. But when you do modified, like reducing the size of your flash drive, or you format your flash drive, unfortunately you cannot recover anymore. Okay, I think that's all from me, Ezar. Thank you.